try the baby food first. Squash.
I don't think you're supposed to make a face.
I didn't make a face. I'm gonna try something new. This is squash. I'm gonna try some squash. Is that yummy? Ooh, you almost got that spoon. He says, Daddy, why are you laughing at me? This is yum, yum, yum. I'm eating my vegetables. Open the hatch. You're doing good.
Yummy, buddy.
Another bite? Yum. Good boy, opening your mouth. Good boy. Yum, yum, yum.